Now, do you have to be careful of your body fat? When I hear high metabolism, it usually means guys that are faster metabolism and then leaner. Now that's not always the case, but that's what comes to mind when somebody says to me, I have a high metabolism. It means they tend to be on the thinner side. So what you want to really do is you want to make sure that you're on top of your calories, but that's not just carbohydrates. The key is also making sure you balance out your fats. And that means I'm very, very big on avocado and also putting in just all kinds of vegetables, vegetable fats like just nuts. I love putting in almond butter and different types of also olive oil in the programs. Omega eggs is another fat that we use quite often. So at the end of the day, it's not just sitting there hammering carbs. It's the balancing of all the macros, the carbs, the proteins, and even sugars. Especially when you have a high metabolism, you also want to increase the sugars. And I tend to lean towards fructose and doing a lot of fruit for those guys as well. So I'd be mixing some of their protein with pineapples because of the natural digestive enzymes, as well as just adding in apples and berries and antioxidant rich foods throughout the day.